Good morning, everybody. Here to dye up another t-shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash, our sodium carbonate, for the last 30 minutes or so. We're gonna twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. What you got planned for this one?
I'm trying to remember how he did the next one. I think he did like a bunch of folds.
Gonna do some folds. Another cool custom design. This one I believe she took inspiration from. This is not our original. And I don't know if we've done one like this before either. I don't think we have. This was an idea we got from the great legendary Mr. Tye-die. It's gonna be what he did with a little spin on it. So, similar. Like I said, we just took inspiration from it.
I don't even remember what he did.
That's fine. Do whatever you want. Do something a little different. He's got all sorts of...
Over one more. Go
Yeah.
ahead, what were you saying?
He's got all sorts of cool stuff, though, people. If you're into tie-dye, I'm sure you've already seen his stuff, but if not, definitely check him out. He's got all sorts of cool stuff on there. If he did time lapses, we would have no hope. We're thinking about doing some long form time lapses too, people. Let us know what you think about those. I mean, obviously we would still probably dub over the top maybe or something. I don't know. We're just playing out new ideas. We're still gonna keep filming these freeform videos like this, but I don't know. We're thinking about maybe pushing more of this live, like a live streaming direction, and doing more finished product videos instead of these, you know, rough videos that are pretty much just like a live look. I don't know. Let us know what you think in the comments below. If you like what we're doing now, though, we will certainly just keep on doing what we're doing now. People seem to enjoy it enough. To the dyeing rack?
Yeah. I gotta poke my little middle out.
Oh, yeah. Poke the middle up.
Okay.
Dang tame.
What should I do on this one? I didn't even think
know.
this out. I didn't think this far.
No, as you can see, we've done great. Shake that really well. We've done great planning for this one. And I put so much bubblegum in there that if this doesn't come out pink, we're just not going to use bubblegum anymore. Bubblegum's just a tainted color.
Maybe we got a bad batch.
I mean, maybe we did, because I put an ungodly amount of bubblegum in there. It was already bubblegum dye, and I added enough for a whole nother one. So if it doesn't come out right this time, we might have got some bad dye. Mixed it fresh this morning. I don't know, we'll see what we get. Bubblegum used to be one of those colors that came out really well, though. I mean, it's a light color, but it's always come out good. So I don't really know. We normally only pair it with lighter colors, though, so maybe that has something to do with it. Who knows? Which black is that?
This is
The better black.
Better Black.
Oh. A little more bubble gum. Freshen it up with some bubble gum.
I want to make sure I really get it going in there.
Citrus yellow. Citrus yellow. Good coverage of the citrus yellow. Good soakage. What is that?
Glacier.
Glacier blue. With super clear. I don't think any of the super clear ones have been cut. I didn't think we were using those today, so that's why I wasn't ready. Glacier clear. Good gradient there with the glacier. Glacier blue.
Should I just finish it with black?
I wouldn't use any more black. You gotta have your purple on there, right?
Yeah.
But what?
But usually I either mix blue and black to get purple or pink and blue.
Oh, I see. Yeah, and then polish it off with blue and do a wider yellow. That'll work. See what I'm saying? Yes, finish it off with blue. That'll look real good, I
Or
think.
just put the pink on top of it.
Yep, either one. Either way. Both would look really good. Throw that little gradient in there to get it some purple. Oh yeah, that's nice. I like the like lavender purple that combo makes. I don't know, that's just me.
Well, let's see what was that, bubblegum
And glacier.
glacier?
Yep, bubblegum and glacier. Quite a combo. I think it's normally hot pink. I can't remember. There's two of them that we use that look really good typically. Time for the flop. Flip. A little more better black. A little more bubble gum. So all told on this one, we have better black, bubble gum, citrus yellow, and glacier blue. I'm sure you couldn't hardly hear that because of the car, so I'll do it one more time. On this one, we have better black, citrus yellow, glacier blue, and bubble gum. What a combo. And don't worry, we're going to be out of the noise pretty soon, folks. This is one of the final sessions you'll see out here. Probably only be a few more. We will be out of the noisy outside where you can once again hear us good. Just like the last location before this one. Won't you miss all the banging? Basketballs and other wonderful stuff. Alrighty, to the drying rack. Top shelf where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.